Hi, do you know about this train? Interesting, right? Oh, my name is GALANG FAUZI, and I will tell you more about Semeru inspection train. Let's go.
Semeru inspection train is a special inspection train by official of the Director General of Railways and Directors of PT Kereta Api Indonesia with dominant body colors of yellow and blue. There is writing and logo of Semeru. An inspection train is used for conducting inspection and maintenance on railway tracks and infrastructure. It is designed to assess the condition of the tracks, identify and defects or issues, and ensure the safety and efficiency of the railway system. Overall, inspection trains play a vital role in ensuring the safety and reliability of railway infrastructure by identifying and addressing potential issues proactively. Function. The main function of an inspection train is to assess the condition of railway tracks and infrastructure to ensure safety, efficiency, and reliability of the railway system. Here are some specific functions of an inspection train. First, track inspection. Second, defect detection.